Alright guys, welcome back to the show. Yes, I'm Xiao Gang from Glorious Timepiece GTC 4 Studio. Alright, due to some technical issue, the previous unboxing Tech Heuer watch has been removed, and here we have a new video for you guys to see to unboxing a Tech Heuer Aquaracer watch. And this particular model is actually this particular model that I'm going to unboxing together with you guys is actually a Tech Heuer Aquaracer 43mm. Okay, as you can see in the Tech Heuer, the website here, the official website in the Tech Heuer, you can see, okay, it has a ceramic bezel, 43mm. Yeah, the reference number for this model is WAY201A.BA0927. Okay, it's retail on a USD about 2,650, right? So what we got here before we are going to the unboxing, you can see the dial. It has a green and blue Loom mixing with the green and the blue Loom on the markers. And what we got here, we have a stainless steel case, we have a ceramic bezel, we have a sapphire crystal, very nice. And the movement, we have a Tech Heuer caliber 5, like 38-hour power reserve, 28,800 beats per hour, and we have a very nice oyster brush bracelet with a push button and diving extension, all the technical details, and you can download all over here, right? So just to let you guys see, very nice. Okay, just for your information, if you are living in Malaysia, so what's the official retail price in Malaysia? Okay, just to let you guys see, here is the price that I taken in the Tech Heuer. So as you can see here, we have a retail on 9,850 ringgit Malaysia for this particular model. Okay, so it's actually it's retail nearly about 10,000, and usually like this particular model is expensive than the previous 41mm, and because this is the latest release from Tech Heuer, which is 43mm, it's a very nice body diving sport watch. Okay, why? So let's roll into the show. So what we got here, as you can see, is all the things that I get when I bought the watch here, and here the box and what I got here. Okay, right, so what we got here, as you can see, very nice. Whoa, nice. Okay, this is a 43mm Tech Heuer GMT Pepsi. And yeah, you have a very nice Aquaracer. Alright, and we have a full catalog over here, very nice, thick, and all color print. Alright, and here's the white box. Nothing much here. Okay, just put it aside. Okay, and we can see a very nice Tech Heuer outer box, very nice. Right, so what we got here, nice. We have a instruction and guarantee card. Okay, so actually basically this is the instruction manual for a Tech Heuer watch for their caliber 3, 4, 5 and 7, as you can see here. And the GMT is actually the caliber 7 in Tech Heuer watch. So yeah, and I had a certificate international warranty card on at the back here, so very nice. Just to let you guys see, yeah, this is some introduction here. Oh yeah, as you can see here, I have a very nice, the watch has been individually tested, wow, to ensure its quality and function perfectly, and water resistant. Wow, nice. You can see here. So right, nice. Okay, so nothing much here, and we have the box here. Okay, so what we got here? Okay, and this is a very nice leather touch. The box here is real premium and solid. Okay, so in 3, 2, 1. Right, nice. Wow. Okay, and we have a very soft leather touch in the inner of the box here too. Okay, right, and yeah, let's see on the watch. Alright, so what we got here, yeah, we have nothing over here. Alright, so here it is. Nice, 43 millimeters. It's a deep black dial, and the dial execution is actually look for me it's a little bit similar, look like a new release Omega Aquaracer, with all the lining, yeah, all the design on the dial, the execution, yeah, very nice. And we have a black ceramic bezel. Let's take a closer look. Very nice. Let's try to wind it up. Okay, I have a screw down crown over here. Okay, nice. Wow, nice, smooth, very smooth. Let's try to wind it up. Yeah, here we go. Here, nice, nice. Okay, so let's try. Oh, nice. Nice. Right, so let's try the size here. Yeah, right, as you can see here, as we can see, just 43 millimeters, and the lug to lug, it's just about, wow, it's just about like 48 and a half, 48 to 49 millimeters lug to lug. It's actually very perfect size, you know, for just a 43 millimeters, because it's way a lot more smaller than it is, because the lug to lug is not really, you know, like just about 48, 49 millimeters. It's actually a very perfect size for such a 43 millimeters watch. Oh, very nice here. Okay, and the thickness is just about like, without the cyclop lens, we have a just about 13, yeah, just above 13 to 14, just below 14 millimeters here. It's very slim for such a you know, like a solid diving sport watch. Very nice, as you can see here. You guys see here, yeah, how we have a tag Heuer, you know, like a clamps over here. Very nice. Oh, nice. And yeah, we have a very, you know, like a diving extension over here. Very nice. Very nice. And I have a engraved solid case back at the back here. So yeah, very nice watch. The dial is actually matching with, you know, like a yellow color between the all the sign, the words, and the dial. Here we have a caliber 5 automatic 300 meter, you know, like 100,000 feet on yellow color, and the second hand, the tip, is also on a yellow color. It's very nice. very sporty. It's feel premium. So let's see on the weight here. So what we got here. For such a 43mm, wow, it's amazing. It's just about 200 and it's up to 210 gram. Oh, it's just feel very premium, solid like a rock. Very nice here. Okay, right. So what we have to test here. Alright, the Loom. Yeah, the Loom. Okay, so just to let you guys see, Loom. So what we got here. Whoa, nice. As you can see here, in mixing with a green and a blue Loom on all the markers and the hands. Very nice. Oh, nice. Let's try it again. Nice. Right. Right guys, here's the video. So I hope all the information that I provide is useful for you guys. Any question or any comment, just try to comment on below section here. And yeah, I'm Xiao Gang. So last but not least, and here's a hands-on 43mm. It's not really big at all. It's very nice, as you can see here. Very nice. Okay, right, very slim. Okay, yeah, I'm Xiao Gang, so I will catch you guys in the next video. Right, bye.